Hello children, welcome to Riot Tuition classes. We are doing geometry revision series for 2 mark questions, okay? This is my lecture 5. This is the last lecture children, okay? So just here, in the adjoining figure, PQ is 6, PQ is 6. I mark PQ as 6 children, PQ is 6, okay? QR is 10. You can see you mark QR as 10, QR as 10. In geometry, whenever you read something, you have to mark it to understand, okay? PS equal 8. See, just have a look at this PS equal 8. And they wanted to find TS. They wanted to find TS. No, but look at this, children. What I see, this chord PS and chord RQ intersect at point P inside outside the circle. Chord PS and chord RQ, chord PS and chord RQ intersect at point P outside the circle. So हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? ये देखो, ये फॉर्मूला मैं लिखता हूं लेकिन रब करने वाला हूं. PS इंटू PT इक्वल PQ इंटू PR. हमारा फॉर्मूला यही है. करेक्ट. सब P से जो चालू हो रहा है, P से जो भी सेगमेंट चालू होता है इधर, PS PT वो दोनों एक साथ. सो PS इंटू PT, ये साइड में PQ PR, सो PQ इंटू PR. ये हमारा फॉर्मूला है. लेकिन जब ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है तो मैं प्लीज वन थिंग आई रियलाइज, आई नो PS, ओके? PS मुझे मालूम है. PT नहीं मालूम चिल्ड्रन, ये निकालूंगा. PQ मालूम है चिल्ड्रन. PR आई कैन, PR हम निकाल सकते हैं. PR नहीं दिया, PR पहला निकालना पड़ेगा. तो सी चिल्ड्रन हाउ वी गो अबाउट सोल्यूशन. कैसा हम लोग करते हैं, देखो पहला हम लोग PR निकालेंगे, ओके? तो PR इक्वल, जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस, PR इक्वल PQ प्लस QR, ओके? तो क्या करूंगा बेटा, P डैश Q डैश R, okay? They all three are collinear points. P dash Q is between P and R. So the formula PQ plus QR equal PR. Now you can see, put the values children. PR equal 6 plus 10. हमने value डाल दिया बेटा. तो PR equal 16. PR 16, okay? अभी कुछ नहीं तो आप यूनिट्स लिखेंगे. लोग सेंटीमीटर ने नहीं दिया तो आप इधर यूनिट्स लिखेंगे, ओके? नाउ स्टिल प्लीज हैव अ लुक. हम लोग एक फॉर्मूला लिखने हैं. फॉर्मूला कैसा लिखूंगा, प्लीज हियर बेटा. और एक बार, इधर PQ के जगह में 6 लिखा, QR के जगह में 10 लिखा हूं, तो मंगता तो रीजन लिख दो. सिंस PQ इक्वल 6, QR इक्वल 10, ओके? अभी प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट दिस, ओके? ना अभी ये जो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, फॉर्मूला किस तरह से यूज करेंगे, तो इधर लिखूंगा ऐसा बेटा. कॉर्ड, देखो कॉर्ड QR and chord ST intersected point P outside the circle, at point P outside the circle. Therefore, what is the formula beta? PS into PT is equal to PQ into PR. ये theorem का नाम है chords intersecting property. Chords है intersecting chord properties. Intersecting chord properties. Intersecting chord properties. इसको intersecting chord properties भी बोलते हैं. Intersecting chord properties. ये theorem का नाम है intersecting chord properties. Intersecting chord properties. याद रखो, okay? Now I'm going to substitute the values. हम लोग value substitute करेंगे. PS का क्या है बेटा, 8. अरे PT तो नहीं मालूम, लेकिन PQ कितना है बेटा, 6. और PR कितना मिला हम लोग को, 16. तो हम लोग ने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. तो मैंने बताया एक सेफ वे ऑफ राइटिंग, सिंस इधर लिखने का PS इक्वल 8, इसके लिए PS की जगह में 8 डाला. PQ इक्वल 6, इसके लिए PQ की जगह में 6 डाला. एंड PR इक्वल 16, इसके लिए PR की जगह में क्या डाला हम लोग ने, 16 डाला है, ओके? अभी आपको PT मांगता है. PT इक्वल, PT इज अननोन, सो PT निकल जाएगा 6 into 16 upon 8. 8 one time, 8 2 times. तो कितना हो गया, PT इक्वल 12 यूनिट्स. लेकिन ये आंसर नहीं है हमारा. हमारा आंसर तो TS है. लेकिन आप बराबर देखिएगा, ये PT मिल गया. अगर PT में से PS माइनस करूंगा तो ST मिलेगा, TS मिलेगा. तो TS, नाउ आई कैन गेट माय TS. TS इक्वल PT minus PS. What is the reason, children? P dash S dash T. Betweenness reason देने का हमेशा इसका. So TS equal कितना आएगा बेटा? TS equal PT का जगह में आप वैल्यू डालेंगे 12, PS का जगह में उसका वैल्यू डालेंगे 8. So TS equal 4 units. TS equal 4 units. तो अगेन इधर हमने PT का जगह में since PT equal 12, ओके, और PS का जगह में PS equal 8 हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया वैल्यूज. ओके, तो एक सम नाम के लिए 2 मार्क्स, अगेन 3 मार्क्स के लिए भी आ सकता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ we go to the next question. Okay, next question number 32. We go to question. That's question number 32. In triangle PQR, angle PQR equal 90 degrees. Angle PQR equal 90 degrees. QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. ये ऐसे condition जब भी दिखेगा, from the vertex of the right angle, perpendicular segment is drawn to the hypotenuse. Vertex of the right angle से perpendicular segment draw किया hypotenuse के लिए. जैसे ये फॉर्मूला दिखेगा बेटा, आपको एक फॉर्मूला सिखाया हूं मैं, उस फॉर्मूला का नाम है प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन. QS square equal PS into SR. QS square, the square of the perpendicular segment, is equal to product of the divided parts of the hypotenuse. Are you getting me here? Got it? ये formula use करूंगा और ये answer मिल जाएगा. So let's have a look here. Question number 32. Okay, solution of it. So simple. कैसे लिखते हैं इसको, प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं फॉर्मूला को? पहला ट्रायंगल का नाम, जो ट्रायंगल में फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हो, ट्रायंगल का नाम. इन ट्रायंगल PQR, first show the 90 degree angle. Angle PQR equal 90 degrees given to you. Okay. What else is given, children? Segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. See, whenever you see this condition, from the vertex of the right angle, a perpendicular segment is drawn to the hypotenuse. Remember this formula, QS ka square is equal to PS into SR, equal to PS into SR. ये प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन. बाय प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, आपको याद रहने चाहिए, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ geometric mean, by property of geometric mean. Now just substitute the values, children. QS square is equal to, QS नहीं मालूम, QS square equal PS कितना है 6 और RS कितना है 9. Are you getting me? PS is 6, RS is 9. So QS square equal root of 54. Actually 9 6, okay? Here itself I would have used it. QS equal the 9 6, that 9 square root का बाहर आएगा 3 बन जाएगा 3 root 6 units. 3 root 6 units. 3 root 6 units. Very simple question, children. I hope people have understood it. Okay, we go to the next one, children. Question number 33. Question number 30. Very simple question, children. Very simple question. 1 minute. The dimensions of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. What do I mean? The dimensions of a cuboid, matlab length. You know what is a cuboid, children? I hope everybody knows what is a cuboid. I'll just draw a rough figure of a cuboid, children. This rough figure, just cuboid, okay? It's just a rough figure. I just draw a rough figure of a cuboid. So this is a cuboid. Now, what is given in this cuboid, children? You can see the length. This is a cuboid, children. A cuboid, whenever we come across a question, we should try to draw a picture of a rough figure. The dimensions of a cuboid are 44 centimeter. Mother length is 44 centimeter. Breadth is 21 centimeter. Breadth is 21 centimeter. And height is, you can see, a 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. There's a height, okay? There's a height. Length, breadth, and height are given. Now, it is melted. इसको melt करते हैं. Solid है. Okay, solid को melt करके, they make a cone, and one cone, only one cone is made, okay? Only one cone is made. Only one cone is made. Okay, only one cone is made, okay? Not many. Only one cone is made, children. So understand that only one cone is made. So this cone, now what they're giving, and a cone of height, the height of this height of the cone, children, the perpendicular height of the cone, this perpendicular height of the cone is how much, children, they're giving us? 24 centimeter. And the question is, they're asking you to find the radius of the base. They're asking you to find the radius of the base. They're asking you to find the radius of the base. You don't realize, children. See how much metal is there in the cuboid. Same amount of metal is there in the cone. How much amount of metal is there in the cuboid? Same amount of metal is there in the cuboid cone. Got it? ये इसको just shape change कर दिया. So volume of metal in the cuboid equal volume of metal in the cone, and this should help you to get the radius value. You just see how I write, okay? First I say for a cuboid, okay? First I'll talk about this cuboid, for a cuboid, okay? Then children, in that I'll write length is how much? 44 centimeter. Breadth is 21 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter, okay? The cuboid is melted. Now I write the condition. The cuboid is melted to form a cone, to form a cone, okay? And for a cone now, we talk about cone now, okay? For a cone, बेटा पहले cuboid था उसको melt करके cone बना है. For a cone, they are giving us the height of is h1. Just because h is already used, so h1 equal 24 centimeter. They wanted to find r. Okay, so remember, children, the volume of metal in the volume of metal, I'm just writing it to the side, okay? Volume of metal in the cuboid, this radius they want. Volume of metal in the cuboid, volume of metal in the cuboid is equal to volume of metal in the cone. Volume of metal in the cone. Volume of metal in the cone. I hope people are understanding me here. तो अभी क्या है फॉर्मूला बेटा? L into B into H. और वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h1. अभी सबका वैल्यूज डालो आप. E कितना है? L कितना है? 44. ब्रेथ कितना है? 21. हाइट कितना है? 12 is equal to 1/3. पाई कितना है? 22/7. r आपको मांगता है r स्क्वायर. और h1 कितना है? हाइट ऑफ द कोन. h1 is height of the cone 24. So now you can see it, children, you want r square. So r square का सर जो भी ऊपर है न्यूमरेटर में वो नीचे आएगा दूसरा साइड में और नीचे ऊपर जाएगा. So see what happens to r square, okay? See 44 into 21 into 12 into 3 into 7, the whole thing divided by, got it? Whatever values are there on the right hand side with r square upper, they'll come down 22 and 24. Now do the cancellation. 22 ones are 22 twos are 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what are left with? 21 into 3 into 7. What are left with? 21 into 3 into 7. So what are left with? 21 into 21. Basically, you're left with 21 into 21 equal r square. This 3 into 7 is 21. This 21 into 21 equal r square. So what is r equal? 21. So what is radius of the cone? Radius of, please write in words. The radius of the cone, base of the cone is 21 centimeter. Radius of the base of the cone is 21 centimeter. Fairly simple sum, children. But still, I doubt for 2 marks, okay? It can be asked for 3 marks. Doesn't matter. See, they are given a tan theta and they want you to find sin theta. Need not worry about it. Tan theta दिया है. कौन सा आइडेंटिटी में tan theta आता है? सोचो. कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी? अरे एक ही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है. जिसमें tan थीटा है 1 plus tan square theta equal sec square theta. Okay, it doesn't matter. We'll do this. अभी क्या आएगा इसमें tan square theta में 1 plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 only equals sec square theta. So what will happen? 1 plus 1 square is 1. 2 is equal to sec square theta. So sec theta is equal to root 2. Sec theta is equal to root 2. But sec theta I don't want. I want sin theta. लेकिन sec theta से हमको cos theta मिल जाएगा बेटा. Sec theta से हमको cos theta मिल जाएगा. Cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. Cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. So cos theta equal 1 upon root 2. अच्छा cos theta से हम लोग को या cos tan याद रखो ये tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta क्योंकि हम लोग को sin theta मांगता अब तक sin theta नहीं मिला है तो हम लोग देखो ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट tan theta ऑलरेडी मालूम है cos theta मिल गया so tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta so what is sin theta equal देखो इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो tan theta into cos theta अभी cos theta का वैल्यू डाल दो बेटा क्या होएगा इधर tan theta का वैल्यू आके people know what is tan theta का वैल्यू 1 what is cos theta 1 upon root 2 so what is sin theta equal 1 upon root 2 बस यही सोच हर एक सम के लिए रहनी चाहिए बेटा जिस तरह से मैंने सोचा ये सम के लिए ओके सेम वे टू थिंक जैसा tan थीटा दिया है कौन सा आइडेंटिटी में tan थीटा आता है वो आइडेंटिटी पहला करूंगा और वो आइडेंटिटी से जो मिलता है चलेगा सेक थीटा लेकिन अभी सोचूंगा सेक थीटा से साइन थीटा मांगता मुझे सेक थीटा से क्या मिल सकता है कॉस थीटा मिल गया हाँ अभी आराम से tan थीटा साइन थीटा वन कॉस थीटा तो साइन थीटा मिल जाएगा दोनों में से ओके वेरी सिंपल सम नाउ वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट सम चिल्ड्रन वेरी इजी सम find the value of k if 5 comma k minus 3 comma 1 and minus 7 comma minus 2 are collinear. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'll just assign names to it. Okay, let a coordinate be this points. Okay, 5 comma k. Okay, now what is this b coordinate? I'll assign b coordinate be minus 3 comma 1. उन लोग ने नाम नहीं दिया तो मैं नाम दे रहा हूं सब पॉइंट्स को. Okay, और c coordinate be what is that? Minus 7, minus 2. So A, B, and C हो गया. Now they want me to find the value of K if these are collinear. मतलब points A, B, and C are collinear. Points A, B, and C are collinear. Points A, B, and C are collinear. When the points are collinear, children, I taught you already some slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of AB, I want to find the value of this K. So see now, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Now, what is the formula for slope, children? Slope formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is AB. Just have a look at A and B. A का coordinates को x1, y1, B का coordinates को x2, y2. So slope y2 minus y1, 1 minus k upon x2 minus x1 minus 5 is equal to okay, now slope of BC. BC में x1, y1 है, x2, y2 है. y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus 1. The whole thing upon x2 minus x1 minus 7 minus of minus 5. When I solve it, what I get? 1 minus k upon minus 10 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 7 plus 5. When you solve this, what you get is, children, 1 minus k upon minus 10 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 2. Now you cross multiply, children, or you can, your choice, the way you want, you can do it, okay? Like, children, what you can do is, here I'm doing it here. Now to the right hand side of it, I'm going to do. See what I do. 1 minus k, this minus goes off. So 1 minus k upon minus 10 is equal to this minus into minus plus. It becomes 4. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 4s are. Okay. Now minus 10 will go there. 1 minus k is equal to minus 40. Minus k equal minus 40 minus 1. So minus k equal minus 39. So k equal 39. So what is the value of k? 39. So I repeat, children. First, what I do, I assign names to these points which have been mentioned. 5 comma k minus 3 comma 1 minus 7 minus 2. Oh, sorry, there is a printing mistake here. I did a mistake. The C का coordinate I get 2 है, तो इसके लिए बड़ा number आ गया. Okay, please have a look. A B तो no problem. Okay, everything is same. Okay. Oh, here also that I done a mistake here. Children, I done a mistake in this sum also. I'm so sorry, beta. So sorry. Okay, this is coordinates of. I'm so sorry. Try to understand. I'll do the correction, children. Doesn't matter. Okay, 5 comma k. This is minus 3 comma 1, and C coordinate is minus 7 comma minus 2. Okay, now A, B, and C are collinear. So what will happen, children? The y2, A and B ko dekho. y2 minus x2, y2 minus y1, 1 minus k upon minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5. What it will become, beta? Minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 is equal to. Now BC ka y2 minus y1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 upon minus 7 minus of minus 3. So what will happen here is, you can see, children, things will change. That's why I better rub this off, okay? Things will change. I'm so sorry, children, for doing such a blunder, okay? Now look here. कितना आसान है ये सम, देखो खाली मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 minus k upon minus 3 minus k, 1 minus k upon minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 8. What it will be? Minus 8 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 upon minus 7 of minus 7 of minus 3 is minus 7 plus 3. That is minus 7 plus 3. So what will happen? 1 minus k upon minus 8 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 4. Okay, this will get, you can see it, children, minus minus will get cancelled. Minus k upon minus 8 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now cross multiply. So 1 minus k equal minus 3 into minus 8 upon 4. 4 1 time, 4 minus 2 times. So 1 minus k equal minus 6. So minus k equal minus 6 minus 1. Minus k equal minus 7. So k equals 7. A very simple sum, children. I'm extremely sorry for doing some blunders. Okay, we continue with the lecture. Next sum, we go to question number 36. Okay, question number 36. Question number 36, children.